Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Dad, are you okay? Okay, we're back with another video, and today I got all new fidgets, and now I have like what was it in? Oh yeah, like 43 fidgets now. Proof that I have new fidgets. Here's proof. I never had a big dimple before. That's proof. Yeah, that was proof. So back to the boom. So cool. And don't think that I did not get any new poppets because I did. I got 2 poppets. Now I have 4 poppets. So I always had these 2 poppets, my big tie-dye poppet and the unicorn poppet. And you knew I already. Sorry. I never had a humongous poppet, and I also never had this popsicle poppet. But this unicorn poppet is still my favorite because this pop's really good, and it's rainbow. I have 2 perfect poppets together. Look, the unicorn poppet ate the popsicle poppet. And din did it did din did it. You're sus. Everyone blue sus. Here, just cover him up. Okay. Who do you guys vote? I got popsicle. Okay. No blue sus. Look, he is so sus. He's sus. Vote blue. Vote blue. I 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 vote blue. Wait. I can't unvote. Okay, I guess I'm stuck. I'm sorry, popsicle. But I'm voting blue. I'm voting blue. 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 Everyone votes blue. Well, I don't basically, but I should have voted blue. 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 Okay. Blue. 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 He got traded. That's what Poppet Among Us is like. Okay. And I don't know if you guys ever saw me with these, but I got these fidgets. I don't know if you know. I got these 3 fidgets because I was just wondering. But I don't think you ever saw my new ones. I have 6 dimples. This one. Where's my simple dimple? Okay. My favorite fidget is probably my simple dimple. These are my dream kind of dimples. And my 2 spinner dimple spinner. My 3 spinner dimple spinner. And my 5 spinner. Yeah, 5 spinner. And I love the block color. So here's all my dimples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's my triple dimple. Sorry about my background, it's kind of messy. get on my vehicle because I'm really
It'll take 100 and...
my sign, whatever it's called, I'm a Leo, so my brother Troy's friend, my brother, she's a Leo too. She's like the devil. She dressed up as a devil like 2 years ago. I don't know. I messed up. Just end the video. Goodbye. Okay. And also, guys, I didn't know if I told you this or not, but yeah, I didn't tell you it. I'm pretty sure not. But apparently, like, compared to this, like, my popsicle poppet, like, it has smaller pops than my 2 other poppets. I don't know why. It's just so weird. Like, yeah, those are smaller. And, like, also that on, like, my Among Us poppet. My mini Among Us poppet. Like, the pops are just tinier. I have no idea why. Oh, this one's has the smallest pops, maybe because it's mini. But still, there's no reason. Like, I don't know why this is like that. Oh, and also, of course I'm not sponsoring you with toys or anything. Watch, there's a new My Little Pony New Generation movie. Like, it's cool. Like, it's kind of sad though.
We're leaving Thursday and coming home Friday.
Yeah. Oh, and also I got these rings. But you should definitely watch the My Little Pony movie, New Generation. First, I learned that from, like, my friend. First off, I learned the New Generation My Little Pony movie from my friend. Her name is Nora. Well, she's from this co-op thing for, like, our school meeting. It's not like actual school. It's just a little meeting. It's only like 30 minutes, a half an hour. And no, it's like 20 minutes long, or maybe more. But like, every time we go to, like, this park, we go, like, on it every other day, not on, like, we don't go on a meeting or anything. We have, like, a little fun day off, and, like, we go to, like, some parks and stuff, and we go, like, hiking and stuff, and yeah, and stuff. And once we went to this park, and it was like a costume party, where we were gonna dress up for Halloween. And my friend Nora, she was like my friend in the co-op, and like she was dressing up as the My Little Pony New Generation character.
The pots
and yeah, so
The what?
plastic
So,
box.
because
Yeah,
like,
it's not really good.
yeah, she
You got, like,
said I should watch it. So,
No, they're
a
not
few
all.
weeks later, then,
Not mine. Nice
like,
coffee. You're not talking about
next
the
I
coffee.
watched, like, My Little Pony New Generation at my grandma's house. Like, we didn't have a sleepover there, of course. But, I mean, I do have some sleepovers there. But, we were like, I was like in the, okay, maybe we did have a sleepover there. Yeah. I'm at their new house. I asked her to put on a show, and I was like thinking, then I was like, I have to watch it. And then I mean, I didn't watch the trailer. I didn't know what it was about, but, yeah. Then I watched there, and then just a few weeks later, I kept on watching it like over and over again. It was like, like just a bony. Bony pony. Bony pony. Bony pony. Bony pony. That's kind of a weird name. And it made me laugh. Bony pony. I kept on watching New Generation My Little Pony. I mean, it's called My Little Pony New Generation, but New Generation My Little Pony. I just kept on watching it, like a horse kept on galloping, and like a video was reversing it, just galloping. Like I was like, and then I was like, day after day after day after day after day, I kept on watching it, and like it was like a horse that kept on going backwards and forwards again. It was like, yeah, like that. Yeah, it's like that, but it's being like reversed. That's how much. I've heard enough. I'm calling her bluff. I'll never get lost in the gray. Go, baby, go home. Everyone's afraid. Always judging, never budging. Anytime we made the team dream, and something to write, bigger than pride. Gonna be my day, gonna be my day, gonna be my day, gonna be my day, gonna be my day. Oh, I didn't fart. That was my mouth. So don't think I rushed my. Like that was my mouth. And now, always judging, never budging. I have 2 infinity cubes. One's orange and yellow. One's like this baby blue and baby pink. I don't know if baby pink is a word or not. It's amazing. Anytime we may see. Oh, and also I got 2 sizes of Rubik's cubes. I got big size and mini. One's kind of black though, like black. See, you know what I'm talking about? See, this one's white and this one's black, like that color, like that one's. Always judging, never budging. Anytime we make team dream, go up and go. that song is probably always judging, virgin. If you even know it. Always judging, never budging. Or is it always budging, never judging? That sounds wrong. But I don't know. Always judging, never budging. Ain't a time we met. I mean, like, was it ain't time we made or any time we made? I think it was any. Any time we made. Wait, no, it was ain't. I have no idea. Ain't a time we made the team dream go big, I have no idea. That was just my brother going up. Oh my god, did someone chew through this wire? Or is this just me? When I was like 3, no, when I was like 1 year old, I chewed a wire, which was the dumbest thing I've ever done in my life. I mean, I didn't know. I chewed a wire, but I didn't get electrozapped. I didn't get electrozapped. It was the dumbest idea ever. I think that I'm like, and I was like, ooh, what's this gonna do? And then I just always judging. Ain't the time we make the team. I'm not talented at all. I don't know what my true thing is to do. But my favorite activity to do is draw. Is it just me or did my family just put on Christmas vacation? Christmas vacation, Christmas vacation. I think that's a Marvel movie, not... My parents are so nice. They let us watch PG-13 movies. They let us watch PG-13 movies, even though I'm only 7 years old. Wait, no. Yeah, I'm 10 years old. My brother's 10, I'm 7. Ain't a time we may seem. Hold on. Hello, Chipmunk. Do you want to go out in a car ride in the Barbie machine or whatever? I don't have a Barbie machine. It's kind of impossible. Are you guys still on there? Are you guys still alive? Oh my god. No, I don't think they can. Guys, I'm gonna go. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Share this with a friend. Hit the notification bell. Bye.